Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best juicers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Wypone Slow Masticating Juicer. This model stands out with its impressive 5.8-inch feed chute, which is one of the largest in its class. It allows for whole fruits and vegetables to be juiced without the hassle of slicing or dicing, saving you valuable prep time. The juicer utilizes a 55 RPM low-speed squeezing technology to minimize oxidation and preserve essential nutrients, making it perfect for health-conscious users who prioritize juice quality. The Wypone juicer boasts dual strainers designed to filter juice through a 0.3mm mesh, ensuring minimal clogging and maximum yield, up to 99%. Its heavy-duty build, featuring a durable titanium gray shell, makes it both stylish and reliable. Assembly and cleaning are straightforward, thanks to its 3-step design and included cleaning tools. However, the juicer is not dishwasher safe, which may be a drawback for some users. This juicer is ideal for families who value nutrient-rich juices and batch juicing. While it's priced on the higher end, its features justify the investment for those who want to avoid oxidation and retain the natural flavors of their produce. The only cons are its weight and the lack of dishwasher-safe parts, but overall, it's a solid performer for anyone seeking premium results. At number 4, we have the NutriBullet Juicer Centrifugal Juicer Machine. Known for its compact design and user-friendly operation, this juicer is perfect for beginners and casual juicing enthusiasts. With an 800-watt motor and dual-speed control, it can handle both soft and hard produce efficiently, giving you smooth and consistent juice every time. The 27-ounce sealing juice pitcher is a standout feature, allowing you to store fresh juice for up to 48 hours without compromising quality. The 3-inch feed chute accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, reducing prep time significantly. Its self-contained pulp basin and dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning up quick and easy, which is always a plus for busy households. Design-wise, the NutriBullet juicer has a sleek gray finish that complements any kitchen counter, and it's lightweight enough for easy storage. However, some users report that the pulp basin can fill quickly, requiring frequent emptying during larger juicing sessions. This juicer is an excellent choice for individuals or small families looking for convenience without breaking the bank. While the price is currently unavailable, NutriBullet products are generally positioned as mid-range options, offering great value for money. Its pros include ease of use and storage capabilities, while its cons are limited capacity for heavy-duty juicing. Taking the number 3 spot is the Qsen Juicer Machine, which is the budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $45.99, this centrifugal juicer delivers surprising performance for its cost. It features a 500-watt motor that powers through both soft and hard fruits and vegetables with ease. The dual-speed control, 12,000 to 18,000 RPM, allows you to adjust settings based on the type of produce you're using, making it versatile and efficient for everyday use. The 3-inch feed chute means less prep work, and its safety locking arm ensures the machine operates only when correctly assembled, providing peace of mind during use. Additionally, the juicer's overload protection system shuts off the device if it overheats, prolonging the motor's life. While the detachable components are easy to clean, users have noted that the filter basket can be slightly tricky to remove at first. This juicer is perfect for those who are new to juicing or looking for an affordable option to make occasional juices. Its pros include affordability, efficient performance, and safety features, while the cons are its lower juice yield compared to premium models and less durable build. Overall, it's a great starter juicer for anyone working with a tight budget. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Breville Juice Fountain Plus JE98XL, Renowned for its high-speed juicing capabilities, this centrifugal juicer is equipped with an 850-watt motor that can create an 8-ounce cup of juice in just 5 seconds. Its titanium-reinforced cutting disc and Italian-made micro-mesh filter ensure maximum juice extraction and nutrient retention, making it ideal for busy individuals who want quick yet healthy results. The 3-inch feed chute allows for minimal prep time, while its built-in froth separator ensures smoother juice without foam. The juicer comes with a large-capacity pulp container and a 35.2-ounce juice jug, making it perfect for families or those who love batch juicing. The design is sleek and functional, with dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. However, at over 10 pounds, it's not the most portable option, and some users may find it a bit loud during operation. This juicer is best suited for health-conscious individuals who value speed and efficiency. While the price is currently unavailable, Breville products are typically premium priced, reflecting their high quality. Pros include its powerful motor and large capacity, while cons are its heavier build and noise levels during use. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ninja Never Clog Cold Press Juicer. This premium juicer is designed for serious juicing enthusiasts who demand the best. Featuring a powerful high-torque motor and innovative auger technology, it delivers non-stop juicing with minimal clogging, even when working with tough ingredients. The Total Pulp Control feature lets you customize your juice texture, offering options for less pulp or lots of pulp to suit your preferences. With 2 one-touch programs, Start, Stop, and Reverse, the Ninja Juicer is incredibly user-friendly. Its anti-drip lever prevents messes, and the compact size makes it suitable for smaller kitchens. All parts that touch juice are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The juicer comes with a 24-ounce juice jug, a 36-ounce pulp container, and an inspiration guide with 15 recipes. While it's priced at $149, the build quality and performance justify the investment for those who juice regularly. This juicer is perfect for anyone who values precision, versatility, and ease of cleaning. Pros include its customizable pulp options, quiet operation, and durable design, while cons are its higher price and slightly slower juicing speed compared to centrifugal models. Overall, it's a top-tier choice for the ultimate juicing experience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.